Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. What is this fuse, Mr. Blue? The fuse. You see, this fuse here is the fuse that it blow out when we reverse the battery. It blow out. So just we already take everything out. In order for you to change the first one, this one here, you don't need to take anything. Just take this screw, these two cables will come out, and then you just take it out and put it in. But this one here, after you put it in, this is the one that control the alternator cable, and it's tightened inside through screw 10. You see here? This one here and this one here, they all coming from here. So you have to be sure that here, you see those two. The first one, this one here, have no problem. You just remove this screw here, and then you're gonna have like some pin here. You move it, it come out. But this one, no. You have to take this screw. If you have to look even if there is anything here. If it's not, you see that one there, you see? That one there. After that, when you try to put it back, it's very sensitive because here, all this is like a blades. So those wire, if you don't relax, put it slowly. This is a module, maybe for a starter module, for cooling fan or anything. This is a fuse box carrier with maybe a cooling fan. I'm not sure, but just try to take this one slowly. Now this one here, go with it. Be sure that to go with it slowly. Put it down. Okay, and when you put it down, try to push it in. Don't try, you see here, if any wire come in this place, it could be cut. And now instead of one problem, you're gonna have two problems. You go inside. Those will not come out. You take this one here. You have those screws, and then also after you put it in, you have one screw there all the way in the bottom. You see that place? This will open for you. And this have to go inside. You have one here. All the places, move those, have the space, and that's it. Avoid jumping the car wrong. One of them is good, it's still good. This one here, when I come to order it, I am not sure which one. So I say, you know what, let me order both of them. It's like $50. So I buy this one brand new, I put the other one, it's still good. But this is the one that's blow out here, you see. You're gonna see the smoke. Yeah, that's it. And if you ohm it, you're gonna see no continuity. This is like power coming here and all this outlet. This is Toyota design, Toyota and Lexus design. And this is for Lexus 2011 Lexus hybrid. Also when you work, be careful from anything related to hybrid. This is this orange place. Be careful, don't touch them, don't play with them. Okay, so we're gonna put everything together and the car will be okay. And thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.